Hello there, welcome to Passivern. In this video, I'm going to review Finmei, which is one accounting software. Actually, you can design professional invoice and you can manage your expenses with the help of this Finmei software. They're running their lifetime deal on AppSumo, and see they're saying that Finmei is an invoicing platform that lets you create invoices and easily manage all your business account from one place. And actually it's a very simple invoice generator and your expense tracker. They're running their lifetime deal on AppSumo, and see code on pricing or license tier 1 pricing is only 39 USD. Here you can have 10 business profiles, 30 expenses per month, 10 GB document storage and 30 invoice per month you can have. But if you upgrade to license tier 2, then you can have unlimited business profiles, unlimited expenses per month, 100 GB documents storage, then unlimited invoice per month, webhooks, API access and JPR integration you can have. So it's very clear that they are considering to get everyone license tier 2. So depending on your need, just get the tier that you need, but you can get at least 10% discount on all this tier. Just to go to the description of this video and get the 10% discount on this Finmei lifetime deal. And see, this software has gotten 6 reviews on AppSumo and everyone is giving here 5-star review. So I think the software is very good, guys. Now without further ado, let's go to the dashboard of Finmei and let's explore how things works and how it can be helpful for us. See guys, this is the dashboard of Finmei actually, and here in the dashboard you can see your income, your expenses, your profit. On the right hand side, at a glance, everything you will be able to see, and you can see your latest invoices from here actually. Hope you get idea. To create invoice, what you have to do, just click here on this invoice section and then click here on this create. It's very simple, and here you have to select the invoice type. You can select invoice, VAT invoice, preliminary VAT invoice, credit note and VAT credit note. Let's say I will create here one invoice, and you can create different series of your invoice. I have created one SF. To create new series, just click here on this add new series. You will be able to add new series, and let's say this is invoice number 3. You can change this number if you want. And here this is the seller details. You can change these details from here. Just click here on this pencil icon, and from here you can change your first name, individual tax ID, VAT code, address, email, phone, everything. And then they have bank account. If you want to change this bank account, just click on this add bank account, and then let's say this is another bank account of me, and just dummy purpose I'll add, and then click on add. And then you can select on which bank account they can send the payment actually. Let's say I'll select both. Let's say on both bank account they can send this money actually. And then they have buyer detail. I have 2 buyer. To add new buyer, just click on this add, and then here add the customer type, company or individual, and then add their details like first name, last name, individual tax ID, VAT code, address, email, phone, and then save. It will be saved. I'm not adding new here. I have already one. I'll select, let's say this one, and see, this is their company details. Hope you get idea. And then they have the product. You have to add the product. I have already added 3 product here. To add new product, just click on this add product, and then you will be able to add new product actually here. Okay, for okay, this is one problem actually. Okay, now it's solved. Now see, I have added previously 3 products. Whenever you will add any product, this product will be saved here. Let's say baby toy. You can select different unit like pieces, hours, kg, time, meter square, meter cube. You can add new also if you need actually. And quantity, let's say the quantity will be, this is the quantity. And then unit price, let's say per unit price is 53, and VAT is you can change the VAT, let's say 15% VAT, and total excluding VAT, everything will be calculated here automatically. Hope you get idea. And then on another new product, let's say kitchen hood, and the amount is, let's say this is the amount, and then the price is, let's say 55, and then VAT is 21, and this is the total. And to add new, just click here on this, and then let's say they have one also like bed sheet, but let's say I do not want it. I want to add one new product. Just click here on this add new, and then here write your product. Let's say the product name will be Finmei software. This is the product, and see, this product will be added here. If I just delete it, simply see this Finmei soft has been added here. Now let's say I want it for maybe these pieces, and the per unit price, what is the price, let's say 39, right? Okay, so let's say I'll give this price here 39, and see, this is the total price. So these are the things, and then you can add some note here. Let's say will be delivered after the complete payments. And then from here you can change the currency, you can change the language also if you want, and that's all, guys. You do not have to do anything. Okay, and there have due date, you have to add the due date. Let's say this is the due date, and then just click on this create invoice. The invoice will be created. As you can see, the invoice has been created. Here the logo will be placed, and this is the invoice, and it looks very professional, right? And here this is the additional information: seller name, account. See, these are the bank accounts people can send to this bank account, and this is the total amount excluding VAT, and VAT is this amount. So that's all. Now if you want to send to this invoice to this person, then just click on this send, and then just click on this send, and this person will get this invoice on their email. If I show you how it will look like, as you can see here, this is the invoice. This invoice has been sent, and people can just click here on this view invoice, and then they will be able to watch this invoice from here. Actually, also they will get it in the format of PDF. Hope you get idea, guys, how these things will be worked, and it will be added on your dashboard automatically. See, the total amount will be added on your dashboard, and let's say it's paid. Just click here on this mark as paid and mark as paid, and then it will be paid. So these are the things actually. Now if you want a recurring invoice, just click here and then click here on this create, and then here the start date, let's say this date, and frequency you can select daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly. Let's say weekly, and limit number of invoice. Let's say the number of invoice will be total 20, and it's, let's say, invoice, this is the series, and this is the seller name, and buyer, let's say this buyer, and the bank account, let's say these are the bank accounts. You can add more bank accounts here, and let's say this is the baby toy, you want this amount, sorry, let's say you want this amount, and unit price, let's say 53, and this is the total. And then there have let's say kitchen hood, total, let's say this amount, and then unit price, let's say 65, and this is the total. So in this way you have to add your products simply. This is the last one. Let's say this product you want this amount, and the price is, let's say this is the price. And then note, let's say the note will be delivered after the complete payment. Let's say this is the note. And then if I just click here on this create invoice, the invoice will be created, and see, this is the invoice. The recurring invoice has been created. You can edit it now, and this person will get the invoice in every week, or according to the frequency that you will set up, and then he have to pay actually. Hope you get idea. After that, they have expense, and here you can add your expense. Just click on this add, and then here if you want you can add some document, and the seller name, let's say Dikai, and total expense, let's say this is the total expense. And then document date you can change from here, let's say this date. And if you want to add some document here, you can add some document. Let's say simply I will add this image. You can add here image, PDF, etc, etc. That means that are connected with this expense, and then just click on this create. So these are the things that you will get. Now if I go to the dashboard, from here you can see actually total income, you can see your total expense and total profit. Hope you get idea. Let's say this is paid also, and this is also paid, or keep it unpaid. So these are the things actually, these are the things that you will get here inside this Finmei. After that, they have client, and from here you can see from which clients how much you have gotten. You can add new client also from here, but it's not mandatory to add your clients from here, because you can add your clients when you will create the invoice. So these are the things that you will get inside this Finmei. Very easy to set up and very easy to run this software actually. So if you think as you need this type of software that will help you to create invoice and to track your expenses, then you can get this Finmei lifetime deal from AppSumo. I'll give the URL of this Finmei lifetime deal in the description of this video. Just go to the description of this video and get the 10% discount on this Finmei lifetime deal. It's an affiliate link, guys. If you use this link to purchase this amazing deal, I'll get a small commission without costing you any additional money. So if you think, guys, this video is helpful for you, then please consider using this link to purchase this amazing deal. And the last thing is, visit our website www.passivern.com to get more tips and tricks about growing online business. Also, join our VIP lifetime deal discussion group through the description of this video. And if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel yet, guys, then please consider subscribing this channel. Thanks again.